Hey everyone, it's Kath. Just wanted to do a quick video and talk to you about a new feature that Vyond has actually released. I'm a massive fan of Vyond. I use it all the time. I use it with my clients. I love being able to create characters from scratch, create environments from scratch. It's a really great tool to have. One of the things that has driven me crazy is when I want to put a hat on someone, I've been really restricted by the hair that I have to choose, because if you use hair that is bigger than the hat, it hasn't masked it in the past, so it sticks out behind the hat. So it basically has made nearly all of the hats useless. Recently, though, a couple of weeks ago, they have made that change where they've masked the hair under the hat. So let me show you what it now looks like. So here we have a character that has a very nice hair under the hat. Now, this wasn't the case all that long ago. If I wanted to have hair under a hat, I had to choose hair like this one, okay, or a very, very short hair that would fit under the hat, basically. Now, if I want to put hair, for example, what might I use? Something like this, just sticking out and is a bit more fun. I can now use that. I suppose that was maybe one with a smaller head anyway. Maybe you might say with women it was more of a problem than men, but I'm just trying to find a men's haircut that would have been a problem. This was a problem in a lot of hats. If I had this kind of haircut, it used to stick up out. Anyway, they made the change now. I'm very thankful. Thank you, Vyond, for making that change. And I hope this was useful, just knowing that they've made that change for those of you who use Vyond. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. Short video. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.